super, 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 super easy. Why? Circle true or false for each statement. This is the tonic triad of D minor. Wow. So the keyword will be D minor. And tonic triad is easy. Why? Because the first thing we know that tonic triad, the most important note is the bottom note. Okay, so this being D minor, the first thing you must check, what is it? Whether the bottom is this one, is it D or not? Sometimes if they give you a different note and it's not D, right away your answer will be false already. Okay, but if yes, it's the letter D, then you have to continue to the second step. And what must we do? We have to think whether the notes, we have to check all three, if the notes are affected by any sharp, flat, or natural. In this case, this is minor, Minor, remember? Always, always, always have to find who? Find the toot, 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 okay? So that it gives you the key signature. Okay, and of course you might need a piano table for this. Draw the 11 lines one. I'm just drawing a small little piano table. Okay, but you draw the 11 lines one with the 3 black key and the 2 black key and the 3 all that. Okay, now same for question 5.1b. Please read your question carefully. Next, question 5.2. Add one missing note to complete each triad with the tonic as the lowest note. Use accidentals if necessary. So first thing, very important word, keyword is you just have to add one missing note. Okay, and the second important note is use accidental. Okay, so thinking step number 1, when it comes to tonic triad, we know that the most important note is the what? Yes, bottom note. Okay, sometimes the bottom note might be the one that is missing, so everybody have to go and read, okay, and check if the bottom note is it what is required. Okay, if not, just put in the note accordingly. And as we know, tonic triad, quite easy to add a note. Why? If the note is in the space, the bottom note is in the space, the middle will be in the space, the top will also be in the space. If it's eating up the line, right, the middle also will eat up a line, the top will also eat up the line. Okay, number 3, remember, we have to use accidentals if necessary. So what must we do? Check if any notes are affected by any sharps or flat. Okay, because we are in grade 2, take note, this is a major, this is a major. Aha, the last question. It's a minor. Okay, so I'm pretty sure by now you know what to do. Every time when you see a minor, you have to find the toot, toot, toot. Why? Because that will give you the key signature. And that is when you need the piano table to help you. Go and draw your 11 lines piano table. Okay, let's move on. Question 5.3. Circle the correct key for each tonic triad. Okay, so when it comes to this question, same like all the tonic triad, the first thinking step will be, I'm pretty sure you know, right? That the most important note is still the bottom note. Okay, that's the most important note, bottom note. Okay, so you have to read the bottom note. Now, when you're doing note reading, please go and see whether you're in the treble clef or bass clef. Okay, in this question, this is treble clef, this is treble clef, okay, and then this is treble clef. All right, and then what happens? The other one, we have 2 bass clef. Okay, so please read your note, bottom note carefully. So having read the bottom note already, the second thinking step will be, what must you do? Remember, tonic triad, there are always 3 notes. The bottom and the middle note, very important. you have to count the semitone. Why? Because the semitone will tell you that if you get 3 semitone, means that's a minor triad. If you get 4 semitone, means it's a major triad. Okay? So this one, good luck for this question.